This is a garlic scape, and you're not supposed to have them on soft neck garlic, but here they are. So I called the people that gave me the garlic to plant, and they said sometimes they can do that when they're stressed. And it's been over 100 for several days, so I'd say that they're probably stressed. I mean, I'm stressed. It's too hot. But the good news is they're really tasty. So we sauteed them with some margarine and salt, and it's super tasty. But it also means that the garlic is ready to be harvested. And there's my harvest with some berries. My first blueberries ever. Can you hear the buzzing?